is charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me.
What's up, you guys? This is your girl Kay, and welcome to my channel, Idkay. Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys my eyebrow routine. These are my brows. They are not done. I'm about to do my brows and show you guys how I do my brows. This is a very affordable routine. All of these products that I have, I think, cost $2 except for one. Well, two. One of them costs $4 and the other one is $18, I think. So let's go ahead and get right into it, okay? So the first product I'm going to use is this e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. This is how it looks. And I got this from Ulta. And I'm going to use this to outline my brow first. I'm going to start over here. I like this pencil because I can see it. This is in the color Deep Brown. And I can see it on my skin. The last pencil that I had, I could not see it on my skin. So, because I don't have a good setup right now for doing videos, I'm going to try to... Let me try something real quick. Hold on. I need a makeup mirror. Makeup mirror. Okay, so let y'all get close up in here. Okay, so first I'm going to take this e.l.f. Is this e.l.f.? This is NYX. It says number 18. This is the eyebrow pencil. It's the angled brush with the spoolie on the end. And I'm just gonna comb everything upwards. I outline the bottom, and then I'm going to start like right here and outline the top. Because I like the ombre look. So now I'm going to draw some hair-like strokes from the bottom line upwards to basically like the top line, but it's not a line, so I'm just kind of drawing them on my skin. And it's okay if you get some outside of where you want it to be, because you can fix that. Okay. All right, and then I'm just going to make sure everything is nice and blended and still doing that upwards because I don't want them to lay just yet. Then I'm going to take the end of this brush. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Eyebrow Kit. And I use the gel. It says gel on the packaging. Some people might say it's a pomade, but it's not as thick as a pomade to me. So this is the one that I'm going to be using, the gel product, and I'm just going to use it like that. And it's very soft. It's very, it's like butter. So, and then I'm going to go in and fill in the back part, like the tail of my brow. And I am going back in for more product when I need it. Okay, because I have like this little sparse area, I'm just going to go and shade that in. I don't know, maybe I have waxed too much. Then I am going to go in with a tinted brow. This is the e.l.f. Wow Brow, and this is in the color Deep Brown as well. And I'm going to do it just like I would do my spoolie. Go in like that, and then just kind of go over these parts and lay them down. And then I'm going to go in and smooth down the top part. Now I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pro Pencil. It's eyeshadow primer and color corrector. And this is in the color base 3. It's 3 of them. It's base 1, base 2, and base 3. And this is base 3. And I like this because I have more control over it. So I'm just going to go in. Now I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild brush. It's like a flat concealer brush. I don't know. It doesn't have a name on it. It's just Wet n Wild. And I'm just going to blend and take away some of that product. Now I'm going to go in with some setting powder. This is the True Complexion Loose Setting Powder by Black Radiance. I got this from Target. I'm going to take my brush, tap it. So now I'm just gonna do the other eye. Yeah, I am doing these in my bathroom with a broke mirror. Struggle. So real. I'm going to take this brush. This is an e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to just brush away the powder gently. And here is the finished result. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe to this video. Make sure you hit the bell button down below so you can stay updated on anytime I post a video. Don't worry, I got a wash and go video for you guys coming soon. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you hit the bell button so you can get notified when I post. See y'all next time. Good. These brows look good. Now all I need is some lashes. Not gonna put them on though. Not today. Not today, I'm not. Not today.